Roof leaks are one of the most common reasons people call their roofing contractor. Every time it rains, we get several calls asking for repair services. But what most people don't realize is that they could save a lot of money by paying attention to the signs their roof gives them. Signs that, in some cases, are too obvious to ignore, yet we still do. So, instead of putting everything you love at risk, take note of these simple tips to identify a possible roof leak and prevent further damage to your property. Let's start with the most evident and easiest to spot: water stains. These often appear as brown, yellow, or dark spots on your walls or ceiling, and they are the best indication that water is seeping through your roof. Next, besides water stains, keep an eye out for peeling paint. If your paint is bubbling, cracking, or peeling, it might be moisture sneaking into your home. Now it's time to use both your vision and sense of smell, and look for any mold growth. While mold can be easy to spot, it can also be very good at hiding. Check for musty odors in every room, paying special attention to those directly below your roof. These are the signs you can find inside your house, but your roof itself can reveal even more if you know where to look. Here are some of the most common signs of damage that may indicate a roof leak. Look for any of these during your visual inspection. Missing tiles, flashing, or shingles. Mold or algae growing on the roof. Debris in your gutters that could eventually clog them. Just remember to always wear personal protective equipment when performing this inspection. Don't step on the roof, use a steady ladder, wear rubber-soled shoes, and have someone with you to assist. Now that you know these simple tips, don't wait any longer and take some time to inspect your home. If you notice or suspect your roof might be leaking, give us a call. At Innovative Roofing, we'll be happy to help. If you liked this video, please hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on how to protect your roof.